Good afternoon, everyone. It is February 2nd, 2023, and what you're looking at is just a 30-minute chart of the ES. Tomorrow we do have NFP pre-market at 8:30 and ISM PMI at 10 o'clock. Uh, there are a couple important notes before we scroll back a little bit and talk about some other stuff. I want to note that we did poke above this 41.55 level on Wednesday near the close. We held it twice today. Uh, to me, uh, to me, this is sort of a sign of acceptance of these higher prices. We should have been able to flush down around that 3 p.m. today. Instead, we held it. So, you know, I would like to say that this looks distributive, but it doesn't yet. We don't have a weekly POC shift. The current weekly POC is sitting down at 40, I think it's 40.68 or somewhere around there. And that's done about 30,000 contracts of volume. We've done about 20,000 contracts at 41.92, I believe. Uh, so we're about 10,000 contracts short, about a third of the volume short before getting a weekly POC shift. And we also have a gap up above. That's also what I wanted to mention is that we have a gap going from, I think it's 42.06, or I guess with today's high being at 42.08, about 42.08 now to 42.20. 20.75, and the actual 4 p.m. price close was at 42.30. I believe the POC is just a few ticks higher, about 42.30 quarter or 30.75, something like that. So to me, I think this gap needs to fill first, and then we can discuss further downside. However, I'm just going to be waiting for that for the most part. Uh, let, let's let's get into the intraday chart here. Let's get rid of some of these indicators so we can make things a little bit clearer. So what am I looking at for tomorrow? Well, as I said, the volume's not there yet. Our current weekly POC is 30,000. We've done about 20,000 up here. Until we get a weekly POC shift, I don't think we're going to flush. I think we're largely going to trade within range, if not up to that gap close up here at 42.30. I don't think we're going to get some monster flush in the meantime. Now, once we do get a weekly POC shift, I will be biased a little bit short. I think we will start traveling down to the weekly VWAP at 4104. And once we do get there, we could very well have to go a little bit further down towards 4080-ish to catch a bid, or we can start ramping up immediately. So here's how I'm going to be trading this, because that's all that really matters, is I'm going to be looking for a short off of 61 if we do break today's low of the day. Thought being is that we'll have all this inventory above us, take the short, try and ride it down to see where we can get into. 42s has been an awesome level for months. So has been 24.75, as have been 17 quarter and 12-ish as well. So I'm aware of these spots. However, what I want to see when it's coming in here is I'm not going to be just looking to take it limit order and hopefully bids. I want to see some strength by the bulls. So the way I'm going to do that is I'm going to let it look below wherever it needs to go. Maybe it's into this zone. I want to see it catch a bid, kind of do whatever it needs to do while it's here, and then wait for it to get back above, and then take my long, and then hopefully get back inside range. Something like that. So I will not be limit bid at any of these prices, just because yes, we are trading above weekly value area high. Sorry, we got to include these indicators for a second. Weekly value area high is at 52. 87%, so not 70% like regular value area. 87% at 84. 91% at 88-ish. 95% at 92. We put in a point of control today. Let's put it this way. We put in a point of control today above 95% of the trading volume that's been done this week. That's a lot. That's impressive to put in a point of control to do a ton of volume way above where we've traded on the week. So to me, yeah, we are getting to these extended prices. It doesn't mean you automatically start shorting, but it does mean that I'm going to be a little bit careful catching any sort of downward movement, because yes, we are in quote extended territory. So that's how I'm going to be trading this. I'm going to be short 61. I want to be long 75s. I want to be long 75s. I want to be short around 85s, and that's going to be after that point of control gets tagged up around 92ish. Maybe I'll be short at 94.75. Honestly, anywhere in here is fine. 92 to 97. I think anywhere in there is going to be a decent short. Again, I will not be short 08 until we get that gap close. Ideally at 42.30 where I will be offered. However, 42.20 is not the end of the world. That's also acceptable. That's how I'm looking to trade this. And again, we do have NFP pre-market, and that might just screw up the entire plan. So, I will very well be up at 8:30 and looking at the market to see how we can adjust this. But as of now, that's how I'm looking to trade this. 130-point range. That's how I'm going to be looking for it. Getting long below 41.50 after a look below and fail. Shorting 61, longing 75, shorting 85, shorting at 90s, these mid 90s. Shorting 08 after we get a gap close up here, shorting 30, possibly shorting 20. We'll have to see. And above there, I'm not. I don't think I'll be playing. I need to see some more information come out to me. So anyway, that's how I'm looking at it. Hope that was helpful for you guys. I will definitely be posting an update to this pre-market tomorrow morning to Twitter. So look out for that. Other than that, trade safe and have a good night, you guys.